Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am showing you how I cover up my grays using henna. It just makes your hair super soft, super shiny, while also giving you a really nice color. In the summertime and the springtime I like to start going towards a more bronzy color, so if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. So I'm taking this henna powder that we got from my local Indian grocery store, and it has a bunch of herbs that are also beneficial for the hair. If I find the link of this online, I'll leave it down below, but super cheap. You don't need to buy any expensive henna powder. Basically what you do is you take a couple of tablespoons of the powder and you mix it in with hot or boiling water. And what this does is it kind of activates the color in the hair, in the powder. And you want to mix it so it becomes like a thick sort of pancake consistency. And other things you can add in here are lemon, just to kind of activate the powder a little bit, but that can be a little harsh. The recipe on the back of this container didn't say to add lemon, so don't. What I did is I added yogurt, because yogurt just adds more conditioning to your hair, and the lactic acid within the yogurt will help activate the henna more. And what you do after mixing it, you leave it for an hour just so the henna can release the color a little bit. After about an hour is when you're ready to actually apply it to your hair. So gloves are a must. Grab your gloves, put on a t-shirt that you're not that you're okay with getting dirty, because the color does tend to get on your clothes. Basically what you do is you just slap it on there. So really there isn't any sort of special technique that I use. The first area that I focus on is the grays, because that's pretty much why I apply this in the first place. I like to go silver in the winter time, but then as the spring arrives, the summer arrives, I like to kind of have that little coppery, bronzy hue showing through my hair. And basically what happens with henna is that as time passes, the color lightens a little bit. So when you first apply, it's going to make your hair look darker, but through the weeks and months, you'll notice when the sun hits your hair, you'll see the coppery tone to it, which is really nice. So basically, for those who don't know, henna has been used for thousands of years throughout the Middle East, through Africa, especially in South Asia. It has a lot of great herbal properties. It's a great conditioner for the hair. It makes your hair super soft, super shiny, while also giving you a nice color. And it's all natural. It's a great substitute to chemical hair dyes. I've actually never chemically dyed my hair up until now, and I'm kind of proud of that. So we'll see how long I can last just by sticking to henna. And I know Lush sells their henna shampoo bars or whatever. I would say go to your local grocery store, your Indian grocery store, and buy the cheap stuff that's all natural. It's all natural, and it's for far less money than what Lush is selling, even though I love Lush, but still. So basically, once you're done applying it to your hair, leave it in for a couple of hours. I recommend leaving it overnight. Wrap your hair in plastic and leave it on for like 12 plus hours. You're going to get amazing color. Here in this video, I had left it in for about an hour because I needed to kind of do a few other things, and I really needed to just wash my hair. So this is only after an hour. The color is going to get deeper and richer the longer you leave it on, and it just makes your hair super smooth and soft. So that's another added benefit. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.